Quality professionals feeling the pressure to improve efficiency and accuracy in your metrology department? Look no further than Q-Mark Manufacturing. Here they're showcasing their innovative probe kits designed to streamline your measurement processes and boost your bottom line. Q-Mark's probe kits come packed with everything you need, including a range of compatible styli. It's a one-stop shop for enhanced metrology efficiency. Here's what you can expect from a probe kit. Reduced setup time. Forget manual measurements and calculations. Q-Mark probe kits save you valuable time. Increased productivity. Faster part inspection and measurement cycles translate to higher output for your shop. Minimize scrap. Early detection of errors during measurement prevents wasted materials and production delays. Plus, Q-Mark offers a wide selection of probe kits to fit your specific needs. Their styli are all guaranteed, proudly made in the USA, and Q-Mark is ISO 9001 certified for exceptional quality. And if you need a stylus in a hurry, no problem. Their same-day styli service gets most orders out the door by noon Pacific time, the very same day you place them. Visit their website, cmms.com, to explore the full range of probe kits and discover how they can revolutionize your metrology processes. Contact Q-Mark to see how their probe kits can help your metrology department reach new heights.